Good morning, everyone. It's such a happy morning. I'm going to swimming. Okay, hi everyone. I hope it's not weird so my voiceover about a video start garda, but then I'm gonna start this video introducing Shreyana paila. Shreyana and I went to the same school and she used to be 2 batch junior than me. And she obviously lives close. She lives in Stratfield and I live in Burwood. So last week we decided that we're gonna go swimming. So this is actually the day. Pani bus is 17 minutes. 17 minutes so far.
At least 2 weeks later.
At least 2 weeks later. Your practice is everything for summer. We're going to every single beach. Yo pali. Train bada bhyaउँछ कि bus bada bhyaउँछ. We're going to every single beach.
First hour.
First hour. So let's see how we go. किनभने week मा actually आयो भने पनि I think राम्रै progress हुनुपर्ने हो. We'll see. Shit happened with my happening. Thank you. Bye. We're out of the swimming place, and we thought we were gonna play TT. Because already na reserve गरिसकेछ.
Wonder what you are. They love singing. Yeah.
Good thing is आज हामीले float गर्ने चाहिँ मजाले सिक्यो हैन.
Just
डुबेन. So next week we'll try and come हप्तामा एकपल्ट Sunday. Let's see how we go with that. बिहानीमा
चाहिँ अलिक जिउलाई नै कम्फर्ट भएर होला तातो.
इन्डोर र आउटडोर थियो तर हामी इन्डोरमा चाहिँ अलिकति धेरै कम्फर्टेबल भयो बडी फ्लोट हुन. So we're going back अहिले.
त्यहाँ पढ्यो प्लिज बी क्वाइट.
So after that we came to my home and he had a quick breakfast because बिहानदेखि हामीले केही पनि खाएको थिएन and we were just talking about पछि के गर्ने. Maybe we can go for next week or maybe schedule some Sundays for swimming and then yeah, that was all. Shreyanaको चाहिँ उसको urgent call आएर she had to leave. I'm gonna finish my breakfast and we'll see how the day goes. I'm eating peanut butter, bread and fruity. I got this fruity yesterday Ulversma. I didn't realize यो fruity चाहिँ यहाँ पनि पाउँछ भनेर because I was not expecting same taste तर यो exactly same छ and I'm gonna keep buying these things now. I'll tell you the reason म किन यस्तो eager भइरहेको छु swimming सिक्न because last whole summer अनि हामी जति बेला पनि साथीहरू बेलुका like we used to go beach swimming गर्न and even swimming pool. I used to be the one corner मा बसेर like dew flap गरेर बस्ने. I'm like this is enough. This summer I need to be अलिकति हुन्छ नि confident and go out there in water and just play with it because last time was horrible. I think swimming चाहिँ सबैजनाले सिक्नुपर्ने कुरा हो हैन. It's नेपालमा चाहिँ यस्तो कल्चर थिएन but then यहाँनेरि चाहिँ बच्चादेखि नै they know how to swim. That's so good हैन. Confidence wise पनि मैले child care मा बच्चाहरूलाई सोधेँ भने where did you go yesterday भनेर weekend मा सोधेँ भने I went to swimming. Like आज पनि like हामीले स्विम गर्ने ठाउँमा हैन most of like I would say 70% हरू बच्चाहरू थियो के स्विमिङ सिक्न आएको with their parents. I think that is अनि अस्ट्रेलियामा where we are अनि कतिवटा हामीले अस्ट्रेलियामा कतिवटा हुन्छ नि इन्सिडेन्टहरू सुनिरहेको हुन्छ नि त इभन इफ ओभरसिजबाट आएको मान्छेहरू मोस्ट अफ द टाइम इट्स नट अ गुड न्युज बट देन कहिलेकाहीँ लाइक ओसनमा के भन्छ बिचमा यस्तो भयो भनेर आई थिङ्क इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेन्ट द्याट यस्तो ठाउँमा आएर कहिलेकाहीँ आउट चाहिँ लाइक एक्सिडेन्टली साथीहरूसँग कति निस्किरहेको हुन्छ के भएर हुन्छ लाइक आई थिङ्क इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट द्याट यु learn one of this lesson. It's 12 PM already and I'm gonna start cleaning. मेरो आज काम छैन so let's just finish all the घरको कामहरू. I need to wash whole lot of dishes like sink body. There's dishes everywhere so let me just clean that and we'll see how we go. It's the final wipe and I'm done. I'm gonna watch Ashley. I've been watching Ashley since 2018 and she is my all-time favorite. And I think hello. And days like this I consider studiners like the best days. You feel like you've done something for yourself and either you do things, you clean up like everything. I kind of feel like I've been so productive. It eventually makes me feel so happy. Don't call me weird, ma kitchen na so na, pero look, I'm gonna mix this mushroom with vegetables and ketchup, pasta sauce, and some chili sauce, and some pasta. I look like I'm going to a business meeting and with this coat and bag and all, but I'm just going to Kmart in money. I need to get a few more things, restock for the week, and yeah, let's go. Okay, hi everyone. I'm just in the Burwood Park and just as a usual day, getting my coffee from Starbucks, and I thought this was gonna be a normal day in the park, but yeah, they say it's, I don't know what's going on. Chinese festival just to it looks like Burwood ko Chinese people are collaboration गरेर एउटा festival गरेर जस्तो देखिरहेछ. Just like Nepal ma mela chale jasto, but like it looks fun. I'm just sitting on the corner, but it actually looks so fun, and I'm gonna show you more त्यहाँ नजिकै गएपछि. But for now, I'm just gonna finish my coffee and then I'll go. This white chocolate, it's so delicious, like so delicious. So I managed to ask one of the Chinese guy, and he said, "Here's a moon festival, which was last week." And in they say like according to सबैजनाको schedule or के थाहा छैन, त्यो अनुसारले मिलाएर आज गर्दो रहेछ. Like आजको दिनमा every week this happens in Burwood Park. Like all the Chinese community, they come together and celebrate this festival. अनि मैले फेरि एक राउन्ड घुमेर आएन, and I managed to get one of the chicken stick किनभने I don't think म अरू कुराहरू digest गर्न सक्छु. It was like beef meat, pork meat, and the only thing that I could get was chicken stick, and I'm gonna try it now. Let's see. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna try. I can't tell you how good this chicken stick is. Oh my goodness. So good. I'm back home, and I don't know why, but I feel like I had such a long day. Bihandekhi uthera, going to swimming and then just taking a rest. Tapasi quickly going to Westfield. Like, I feel like there was so much going on. And I think it's just not me. Every time I go out, my room will be left like this. And now I need to take extra 15 minutes to clean this up. Okay, hi everyone. This makes me feel so uncomfortable back camera record because I never do that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching the video.